my lovelies. I just wanted to come on here and make a quick video about some exciting things that are going to be happening here on my channel, just in life in general for me. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old here, welcome back. My name is Natasha, also known as Nourish Natasha. I put out yoga classes here that I try to make accessible for everyone with a little dash of magic and astrology, heavy dash of body acceptance and self-love, but that's what we do here. And I'm super excited to announce that I'm going to be doing another yoga challenge in September. It is a 30-day yoga challenge. That means there'll be a class for every day for the month of September. They're going to be like 10 to 15 minute little yoga snacks, as I like to call them. So just really short classes that you can do every single day for the month of September. Challenge yourself to do 30 days of yoga, but also, you know, it's okay if a 30-day challenge takes 60 days, you know. So this is exclusive for those in my YouTube membership. So there is also a whole nother yoga challenge in my YouTube membership already there with 31 days of yoga from March. So if you join my YouTube membership, you get access to that challenge, and then you will also get access to this new challenge. On top of that, we do live yoga classes, live tarot readings, live new moon and full moon workshops. You get worksheets for every new moon and full moon. We have a private Discord community where we can all chat together and just have a good time. That is all included with my membership here on YouTube. Like I said, it's only $9.99 a month for all of those things, but you can just hit that join button. It's on my channel. It's in this video, like right next to where it says subscribe. You can just hit the join button and come join us. Like I said, it'll be a class for every single day for the month of September, and then you also get access to the previous 30-day challenge, a ton of exclusive classes that are just there for my members, workshops, live stuff, all that jazz. We're also doing a tarot challenge right now. It's August as I'm filming this, and we're doing a tarot challenge. So with a tarot card for every day of the week, the major arcana, and then we're going over the minor arcana. So that is also there for my members, but I would love to have you. Of course, you know, I will always put out free stuff here on YouTube, open to the public. I always do my new moon and full moon classes. I'm going to try to put out just some more plus size beginner classes and just some general yoga classes for everyone to have access to that isn't a member. What else is happening? What else do I want to say? The September challenge is going to be based in I am affirmations. So you'll get an affirmation for every single day for the month of September with that 10 to 15 minute yoga class. And, you know, I hope, my intention is that it'll just be, you know, a little yoga snack for you to just take that time for yourself. For every day in September, just take that 10 to 15 minutes for yourself. Give yourself a mantra, an affirmation, and give yourself some love, a little bit of movement, and just incorporate yoga into your everyday for September. So yeah, that's my intention behind that challenge. What else did I want to mention? If you're watching this right now before September 1st, all of my courses are on sale for 50% off. So on top of all my offerings here on YouTube, I also have a ton of yoga courses: Crystal Magic Yoga, Moon Magic Yoga, Chakra Magic Yoga, Get Up and Flow Yoga, Mindful Eating, Self-Love, Self-Love Yoga. So many different courses. My 16 class package is 16 classes that'll take you all the way from beginner basics all the way to inversions. So if you want to learn how to do a headstand, I would highly recommend that one, but they're all 50% off. No code necessary. I'll put the link in the description box. You can get that until September 1st. The reason I'm doing this is because I am having a little bit of a moving sale because I'm moving. So I'm filming most of this in advance. I'm filming most of the September challenge in advance from my space currently. You're going to start to see this space start to get very empty as I pack up all my stuff, and then you're going to see a whole new space once I move on September 1st. So bear with me while things are a little bit hectic. Like I said, for my members, we will still have that 30-day challenge in September. However, live classes might take a little bit of a pause, but you're still going to get a class for every single day for the month of September. And then I should be settled by like after the first week, and live classes will come back. I also wanted to mention that I do host witchcraft and wellness retreats all across the country. I had one in Joshua Tree back in July, and it was absolutely amazing. We were under the full moon in Capricorn, and it was the most incredible week of my life. I have one coming up in Salem, Massachusetts in November underneath the blood moon, which I'm very excited about. That one is sold out. However, I did book Salem again for next March. I also booked Joshua Tree again for next June. And I'm also going to be booking probably 3 other retreats for next year for 2023. So my 2023 retreat schedule will be released very soon. I'll be offering a little bit of an early bird incentive if you want to come to one of these retreats. It's usually anywhere from 3 to 6 days of witchcraft and wellness. So we go to magical locations with a group of really incredible people that are on the same journey as you. We go through moon phases. Usually I try plan them always with a new moon or a full moon during the time that we're there. So we do ceremonies, we do rituals, we do self-love spells and workshops. We'll do a tarot workshop. Wherever we're visiting, we do excursions. So like in Salem, we're doing private tours of Salem. In Joshua Tree, we go hiking. You get yoga every single day. You get awesome gift bags full of really cool stuff, if I don't say so myself. Just a completely magical experience. Like the Joshua Tree retreat was like the best week of my life, and I was the host. Like I can only imagine how the participants felt, and we all just had this really magical time in a really magical place together. So if you're interested in those, you can get on my email list, follow me on Instagram, get in my free Facebook group as well. That's where I will announce these things like to the public, especially my email list. So you just click on my website, a little pop-up will come up that says get on the email list. That's who gets first dibs for the retreats, and my free Facebook group as well, and the membership. So if you're in the membership, I'll post it in the Discord, and you will also get first dibs to sign up for the retreats because they sell out very fast. My Salem retreat sold out in like 3 days. So yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say, but I just wanted to say thank you for being here with me, a part of this journey. I just hit 50K subscribers. My goal is to hit 100K to just continue to put out free yoga and accessible yoga and magic for all of you lovely people. So thank you so much for being here with me. I wouldn't be here without you. I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing without you. This is my full-time job, which is crazy. And I just wanted to remind you that you can do it too. Like anything you want, anything that you put your mind to, any dream of starting your own business or starting to do your own thing, or just any goal, any dream that you have, be delusional. That's my advice from a Pisces Sun, Leo Moon, Sagittarius rising. Be delusional, do the thing, because it's absolutely possible. So thank you. I'm grateful for each and every one of you, and maybe I will see you in the membership. Maybe I'll see you in the yoga challenge. Maybe I'll see you at a retreat, but thank you guys, and I'll see you when I see you.